Stay tuned to see how we transformed this combo shower to this stunning epoxy masterpiece.
Better clean up of that. Wasting my tax dollars. Alright. Let this turn red. And then we'll flip.
Is your part gonna be on camera?
My part, yeah.
Shit.
He lives for those moments,
You're gonna be a star.
That's his unfamous moments.
Well, then we have to go outside and apply it. You're gonna record all that too.
Jesus.
gonna be like that home improvement show. It's like I'm Tim and he's Al, but everybody wants to see Al. They'll be like, oh, we want the video. We like the videos with Jeremy in it.
That's the opposite, because Tim was the small one and Al was the big one.
That's not the point.
Oh.
Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes.
Yep. That's right. I got that on camera too. I just want you to know that.
That's why you gotta hold on to your budget.
Oh my god.
This is how you start with 30 ounces and you end up with 12.
Only lost 2 ounces of material.
You need to wipe it off your stomach before your shirt gets stuck to it.
Oh, you can pause it if you want.
Good.
It's like, no, I want to catch all of this on camera.
So this is normal process. Mix it, take a bath, and then mix some more. We'll let the professional take over here.
Pour half of it into the cup.
Make it 11 and 11. There's no longer 24.
It's important to hold the mixing bucket while you're mixing epoxy. Don't ask me how I know.
Drop the phone in it.
Time to sand the floor. This shit is going viral. Check it out right here. Wendell and Travis Productions. Spider Woman.
Yeah, well, that's what you gotta do. Gotta reach the middle.
Prepping for that clear coat. Yeah, that's a Spidey Woman pose.
This is the I don't want to fall over pose.
She's twerking in our shower. Shove it! Shove it! I didn't see your face. What? What'd you do? Fire! Fire! Well, we got lap lines all over the place here. I'm just kidding. She's just getting it out. She's gonna be back rolling and then I'm gonna dry roll.
Sing.
You gotta play the song.